channel. My name is Tina, and today we're going to do another one of my one eyeshadow looks, and let's jump into it. Samson's here telling me what he wants me to do. Now, if you watched this last time, you know that it's technically two eyeshadow looks. I have to use a base shade to blend on top of, and I just use this Wet n Wild one that is like almost identical to my eyeshadow color, and I just put that all over my lid. You could easily use a translucent powder instead. This just sets down my eye primer really well and gives me a nice base to work on top of. I'm gonna go with this really bold pink, and we're just going to start in the middle of the lid and put that right dead center. You're not gonna focus on your outer corner or anything. You just put that right in the middle of your eyelid. Now you can put extra just in the crease right up here. Don't get overly like stressed about this. So before I do that, I'm just gonna blend this a little bit. Once again, staying in the center of the lid. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm going to pick up a little more of it, and I'm just going to put that up here in the top of the crease, cheating it just a little bit so that you can see it, because otherwise, because of my hooded eyes, you wouldn't be able to see it. And I'm just focusing on the center of the lid, and now I'm going to grab a clean brush again, and we're going to blend some more. That's the name of the game when you're doing a one shadow look. And I'm just focusing in this little area right here at the top of my eye, and then just blending down a little bit. See how that just sort of opens up my eyes and makes them look a little rounder without going in the outer corner at all. We're ignoring that part of the eyelid. And that's basically it for eyeshadow. So I'm going to take some highlighter and frame my eye with that. And I'm going to take this white one here. It is actually a pearl that unfortunately doesn't show up very well on screen. And we're just going to highlight up here, put a little extra right there. And then grab some more and put it on the inner corner. I am going to put on my mascara and eyeliner. I'm using the Catsuit by Soap and Glory. I love this eyeliner. It is super precise and easy to use. And then I'm just going to use my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara because it gives me really big lashes. Okay, so I have my eyeliner and mascara on, and now I'm going to put a little bit of pink on my lower lash line, and I'm just going to take a flat shader brush and put it over here and drag it in a bit. The idea of this look isn't to be like crazy precise, so if you smudge it just a little bit, that's okay. This whole look is based on sort of it's like a doll-like look. So you're not trying to be like crazy precise with your makeup right now. You want it to be a little bit messy. And then we're gonna grab just a little bit more highlighter and stick that in the lower corner down there. And that's gonna be it. That's the end of your look. That is all there is to it. It is super, super fast and easy. Very simple, very imprecise. Anybody can do it. Just remember, you're not focusing on that outer corner at all. You're focusing in the center of the eye to give a more rounded, doll-like look. And this bright color just really pops it out. Samson apparently really wants to say hi. Say hi, Samson. Hi, everybody. Yeah, Mommy needs some lipstick. Mommy needs some lipstick. And I think a nice pink lipstick is gonna finish this look out perfectly. So I'm gonna use my Ofra in Tuscany, and then a little bit of Mauve Squad from Smashbox in the center. I would probably use a bubblegum pink that matched my eyes for this, because it would give you just a complete look, but I don't even own a bright pink like that lipstick. I looked for it, don't own it. All right, so this is the pinkest lipstick I own, and it is in Bubblegum from Tattoo Junkie, and it's still not pink enough. As a matter of fact, it clashes. That's not good. Okay, so I found this lipstick I bought called Pretty in Pink from CoverGirl. I've got to get it off really quickly because this stuff gives me a massive headache. Not loving it, unfortunately. Okay, the last one I'm going to try is the My Little Pony in Lemon Drop. All right, so it's not perfect. Yeah, I wished I had a pink that matched that exactly because I think that would be beautiful. So I just put some Cover FX Amethyst over the top of my lipstick to try to get a look that I like, and I'm still struggling. I've like went through so many looks now. I'll like put a picture of every one of them up there because it was a lot. I'm like trying to make this work and it's just not. This is my one eyeshadow look this week. Let me know what you think, and if you've tried a one shadow look yet, hopefully you will, because they're super easy, super fun, and you can't really go wrong. I mean, what's the worst that happens? You add a couple more colors. Let me know what you think of this look. I saw this on like an Emmys thing and I was like, yes, I have to do that. Talk to you guys later. Bye!